Want deeper insights into your health and fitness, right from your feet, with more than just basic weight tracking? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're taking a closer look at the GE CS10G Smart Scale, featuring a sleek tempered glass platform, high-precision sensors, and a clear LED display. With advanced body composition tracking, smart app connectivity, and easy step-on technology, it makes tracking your health metrics accurate, quick, and effortless for everyday use. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the GE CS10G Smart Scale, 1.5-volt AAA batteries, quick start guide, product features, tracks a wide range of health metrics including weight, BMI, body fat percentage, muscle mass, body water, and more using advanced BIA technology. This allows you to go beyond basic weight measurement and understand your overall body condition, helping you make better fitness and lifestyle decisions over time. Equipped with both hand grip and foot electrodes, the scale captures data from multiple points of the body for improved precision. This 8-electrode system provides more consistent and reliable results compared to traditional 4-electrode scales, making it ideal for users who want deeper and more accurate body analysis. Supports Bluetooth connection to a companion mobile app where all your data is automatically synced and stored. You can track your progress over time, view detailed insights and trends, and create multiple user profiles, making it suitable for families or shared use while keeping data personalized. Features a large, bright LED display that clearly shows essential metrics like weight, body fat, and BMI in real time. The high-contrast screen is designed for maximum readability, so you can easily check your results even in low-light conditions without any strain. This makes daily tracking more convenient and seamless, especially for users who prefer fast, no-fuss health monitoring. Technical specifications. App connection. Download the Fit Profile app from the App Store or Google Play, or simply scan the QR code provided in the user manual for quick access. Once installed, open the app and create an account by signing up. Complete your personal profile with details like age, height, and weight to ensure accurate body measurement tracking and personalized results. Make sure your smartphone's Bluetooth is turned on before starting. Open the app and tap on Pair the device, then select the Smart Bathroom Scale option. Step onto the scale barefoot to activate it. From the list of available devices, choose GECS10G and tap Connect. Wait a few seconds for the pairing process to complete. After a successful connection, the scale will display 0.0. indicating it is ready to use. Step onto the scale barefoot and stand still until all measurements are completed. Your body data will automatically sync with the app, allowing you to view detailed metrics and track your progress over time. How to use. Before using the scale for the first time, turn it over and open the battery compartment. Insert the batteries carefully, making sure the positive and negative symbols on the batteries match the markings inside the compartment. Close the cover securely so the scale powers on correctly. Place the scale on a hard, flat surface and step on with clean, dry feet. Gently lift the built-in retractable handle from the base. Hold it firmly with both hands, arms slightly extended in front of you at about chest level. Stand upright and remain still while the scan completes. The handle contains additional electrodes that send a safe, low-level electrical signal through your upper body. Do not wear socks, as direct skin contact is required for body composition tracking. Make sure your feet are positioned correctly and touching all 4 metal electrodes on the scale. Keep your legs slightly apart and avoid letting your knees touch to ensure accurate and consistent measurements. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Place on a stable surface. Keep it dry. Use barefoot properly. Avoid overloading or impact. Store safely when not in use. Product comparison. The CS10G features a sleek tempered glass platform with a modern, minimal floor-scale design made for everyday home use. It feels lightweight, yet durable, and blends easily into smart home setups. The Tanita BC545N, on the other hand, has a more functional handheld segmental design with a sturdy plastic build. It is built more for professional-style body analysis rather than aesthetic home use. The CS10G uses a simple LED display that shows basic readings like weight and quick body indicators directly on the scale. Most detailed information is accessed through the connected mobile app for a cleaner on-device experience. The Tanita BC545N features a built-in handheld display that shows detailed segmental data instantly. This allows users to view full body analysis without needing a smartphone. The CS10G tracks core body composition metrics such as weight, BMI, body fat, muscle mass, bone mass, and body water using smart bioimpedance technology. It focuses on overall health trends and app-based insights for everyday fitness tracking. The Tanita BC545N provides more advanced segmental analysis, breaking down fat and muscle in arms, legs, and torso separately. This makes it more suitable for detailed fitness or athletic monitoring. The CS10G supports Bluetooth connectivity with app integration, allowing unlimited user profiles, progress tracking, and syncing with Apple Health and Google Fit. It is designed for smart, connected health monitoring at home. The Tanita BC545N does not use any app or wireless connectivity and works as a fully standalone device. It stores up to 5 users and delivers all data directly on its built-in display. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.